Rest in peace, this big old 1VD. This vehicle's come to us on a truck. What's happened is the rail pressure has been so high that it's actually swollen this part of the injector, and it's come off down the thread and pushed the injector out of the head. It's actually bent the rod on that cylinder. So we got it here, we've got new injector hold down bolts, checked all the seats, replaced the washers, fired it up, had it running, and I noticed the oil was a little bit diesely feeling. So we checked the filter, changed the oil. I checked the injector adaptation values. The codes had all been zeroed out for the injectors, which was a bit strange, probably because they couldn't do a pilot learn. Because this has been running so much rail and it's got that fuel leak, it had no noise quiet, but it would just get a slight tick that we could hear that was rotational, and actually on that cylinder it's actually got a shorter rod. The rod's actually twisted, you can see it forwards in the piston, so there's no marks in the bore or anything like that. He's either going to have to rebuild it with new rods and whatnot, or put another motor in. Because the motor's done 150 plus Ks, we've got a new long block because he needs it back on the road, and he's been without this vehicle. I think the workshop had it 5 months or something. This is going to be a costly repair. We're having to put a new motor in. Unfortunately, this injector body and nozzle nut has probably seen its day, even though it was a new injector. And yeah, we'll give it a tune, and hopefully we'll be happy days.